Hi, in this video, explain who am I. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Caleb Angelo M. De La Verdes, fourth year, taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I was born in Pilicam Sur, but I grew up in Pasig City. In that place, I was a dead kid with no inspiration in life, and I spent all of my time at computer shops. In Pasig City, I gained a lot of friends. We making memories and helping each others. And these friends become my families. But because of the financial problem during the pandemic, we had to return to my birthplace, which is Pilicam Sur, and I felt alone, or in other words, zero, and back to the start without friends nearby. Because of that, it changed everything. I got more focused about my self-improvement. I changed my workout routine. Sometimes I jogging in CWC, watching movies or series, and one of my favorite series is Peaky Blinders. This series taught me how to become a man. I got new hobbies like feeding pets, fishing pods, planting trees, and reading books. These books titled Timing is Everything. It's explained step by step or process of how to become successful in life. And lastly, I got new friends, my college friends. They are the reason why I want to push forward to achieve my dreams and build connection, sharing knowledge, and giving positive vibe with them is one of my memorable experience that I got so far. And who am I? I'm I'm the person who wants to develop into a successful person by learning from the negative experience that I have encountered in the past, exploring my surroundings, taking risks, and never giving up on my dreams. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.